Today I'm going to make this simple tomato ketchup design. So, go to canva.com. Select the size 1080 pixels into 1080 pixels. Choose the background color to deep red. Now go to Elements. Search for Sparkle. Select this. Adjust the size and position. Change the transparency to 30. Duplicate this and adjust the position. Select both sparkles and lock these. Now add a circle shape. Adjust the size and position. Select the color white and then lock the shape. Now upload the product image. Subscribe and check the description for the product image. Import the image. Remove the background. Go to Edit and select the fresco filter. Now adjust the size and position. Go to Elements. Search for the shadow. Select this. Change the position to backward. Add another shadow. Now upload the French fries PNG file. Import this and adjust the size and position. Add a shadow back to the French fries. Add another shadow. Increase the French fry and product image bigger. Go to Elements. Search for the coriander leaves. Select this. Adjust the size and back to the product image. Add another leaves. Again, add leaves. Now add a leaves file and make it 70% blurry. Duplicate this and change the size and position. Again, duplicate this. Now add text and write the product tagline. Select the font to Antonio. Make this uppercase. Change the color to deep red. Duplicate this and write the other things. Now add the delivery and shipping details with black color text. Add a shape. Adjust the size and position. Change the color to light green. Duplicate the shape. Change the color to light red. Change the position to backward. Now change the transparency to 60 for both shape. Add a line shape. Change the color to the deep red color. Duplicate it. Rotate 90 degrees. Adjust the size and position. Now select all and make it bigger. Search for the tomato. Select this. Make it 70% blurry. Duplicate this. Again, duplicate. Change the blur to 100%. Lastly, duplicate this and change the position. Now upload the company logo. Adjust the size and position. Big congratulations, you've done the project. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.